Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you 6 amazing underwater drones that you need to see. These drones are perfect for exploring the ocean, capturing stunning footage, and having fun. Let's get started. Number 1. Gladius Mini. The first drone on the list is the Gladius Mini. This drone is small, lightweight, and easy to use. It has a 4K camera that can tilt up and down, and a 5-thruster system that allows it to move in any direction. It can dive up to 100 meters and has a battery life of 2 hours. You can control it with a remote controller or a smartphone app, and stream live video to your device. The Gladius Mini is ideal for beginners and hobbyists who want to explore the underwater world. Number 2. PowerA. The next drone is the PowerA. This drone is designed for fishing enthusiasts who want to find and catch fish. It has a sonar system that can detect fish up to 40 meters away, and a bait drop system that can lure them in. It also has a 4K camera that can record and stream video, and a VR headset that lets you see what the drone sees. The PowerA can dive up to 30 meters and has a battery life of 4 hours. You can control it with a remote controller or a smartphone app and share your fishing adventures with your friends. Number 3. Biki. The third drone is the Biki. This drone is shaped like a fish and mimics its movements. It has a 4K camera that can take photos and videos, and a bionic sonar system that helps it avoid obstacles. It can dive up to 60 meters and has a battery life of 90 minutes. You can control it with a remote controller or a smartphone app, or let it swim autonomously with a preset route. The Biki is perfect for wildlife lovers who want to observe the marine life without disturbing them. Number 4. FIFISHV-6. The fourth drone is the FIFISHV-6. This drone is a professional-grade underwater robot that can perform complex tasks. It has a 4K camera that can rotate 360 degrees and a 6-thruster system that gives it unlimited mobility. It can dive up to 100 meters and has a battery life of 4 hours. You can control it with a remote controller or a smartphone app and use it for underwater photography, videography, inspection, exploration, and more. Number 5. iBubble. The fifth drone is the iBubble. This drone is an autonomous underwater camera that follows you around and films you. It has a smart tracking system that recognizes you and keeps you in the frame. It also has an obstacle avoidance system that prevents it from crashing into anything. It can dive up to 60 meters and has a battery life of 1 hour. You can control it with a wristband or let it do its own thing. The iBubble is great for divers who want to capture their underwater adventures without holding a camera. Number 6. Nemo. The last drone on the list is the Nemo. This drone is a compact and powerful underwater explorer that can go where other drones can't. It has a 4K camera that can take stunning photos and videos, and a dual thruster system that gives it high speed and stability. It can dive up to 100 meters and has a battery life of 3 hours. You can control it with a remote controller or a smartphone app, and use it for recreational or commercial purposes. So there you have it, guys. These are 6 amazing underwater drones that you need to see. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.